Stay woke. There are people online who are saying that Justice Jackson actually sided with Trump in denying SNAP benefits. That claim is utterly false. And here's what really happened. So the federal government shut down October 1st, 2025, right? And that was because Congress failed to pass a new budget. So the USDA said it had no legal funding for November's SNAP payments. Several nonprofits and cities sued the Trump administration and argued in court that they absolutely had some emergency and contingency funds that they could use to keep SNAP running. The judge in the case, Judge John McConnell, agreed and ordered the Trump administration to fully fund November benefits, about $4 billion. So the Trump administration asked the judge to pause or place his order on hold. The judge refused. Then the Trump administration appealed to the First Circuit Court of Appeals and also asked that court for an immediate administrative stay, which means they were asking the appeals court to put the lower court's order on hold temporarily. The First Circuit declined that request. But it did say, we will rule on this regular request for a stay expeditiously. Now, the Trump administration, with the deadline only hours away, went to SCOTUS and basically asked SCOTUS for the administrative stay so the First Circuit could finish its review. Now, Justice Jackson, she handles emergency matters from the First Circuit, and she granted Trump's temporary stay, all right? And that is standard judicial procedure. That doesn't mean that she agrees with Trump's stance on SNAP. So Justice Jackson was merely following protocol. She made a procedural call, not on the merits and not based on politics. Her order will end 48 hours after the First Circuit issues its ruling. That could be today, that could be tomorrow, that could be Monday, but it is coming really soon. They promised it. So she didn't cancel SNAP. She didn't side with Trump. She simply froze things so the appeals court had ample time to consider Trump's request for a stay. And this demonstrates why Black Americans must stop getting information from non-experts in social media Roma meals, basically. Right? Too many people online spread this outrageous false information that's not based on facts or any legal understanding. So the bottom line here, folks, is Justice Jackson did her job exactly as the law requires. And remember, stay woke.